Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you my ATM blueprint review. Creator of this product, my ATM blueprint, Julio Franco. Guys, if you are internet marketer, if you want to earn more, and if you are a struggle marketer, if you want to make money from online, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the full details about this product, my ATM blueprint, and this product goes live on 9th of February 11 a.m. EST 2023. I'm going to show the full details, so please don't skip this video. Okay, learn exactly how I built a 10k per month business selling other people's stuff. You have no product, no problem. You will be able to make 10k per month like this guy. This guy created this product, Julio Franco, and it's like nothing you have ever seen before. I know him. I know Julio Franco. He is a legit guy, and this product price is only $27. And what you will get inside members area right now, I'm going to share with you. What you will learn, this product gets you access to get to copy my ATM blueprint, over the shoulder step-by-step video training. They will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video training, how to create affiliate campaign, how to create affiliate account, and how to set up a email campaign. They will teach you everything. And here's the affiliate marketing, how to do affiliate marketing one-to-one. They will teach you guys. And email marketing, how to create and integrate autoresponder. They will teach you a beginner to advanced level. Okay guys, so you have no problem. You are a beginner or if you are an advanced marketer, no problem. They will share the secret. Okay, and get my free written emails, get access and copy my free written email. This is very important information for marketer. Okay guys, and best traffic strategy. This is also, traffic is king. Traffic is gold for your marketing life. Okay, so if you get a traffic strategy and if you get a quality traffic site, then you will be success immediately. And they will teach you exactly a quality traffic source, and they will give you actually and details. They will provide a step-by-step video trainings and one-to-one coaching. Also they will provide a Facebook group. And best traffic strategy, you will get access to my paid and free traffic source. Access to be affiliate for my ATM blueprint. Become an affiliate of my ATM blueprint and get 50% earnings. You can also promote this offer. They will give you a chance, and you can also make money 50%. Okay, no problem. And get personal coaching. You can get access to one-to-one coaching. Guys, I think you will be purchase this product because this is a blueprint and that created by an original person. Okay, a genuine person, and access to their Facebook group. They will provide also a Facebook group link. Okay guys, right now we are gonna watch this video, so let's see this video, what he shared exactly with you. So let's see it, then I will discuss some things with you. Stay tuned.
Hey, what's up everybody? Julio Franco here. First of all, I would like to go ahead and say thank you for stopping by and checking out my ATM blueprint. Okay, now what you're gonna find inside my ATM is how to create passive income only using 30 minutes from your time. Okay, working from home. Yes, you heard me right. All you have to do is spare 30 minutes of your time from home to start creating the passive income. Okay, now it seems kind of hard, or it seems absurd, or it might seem impossible, but believe it or not, there's a lot of people, okay, on the online world creating thousands, hundreds and thousands of dollars. And if you believe me or not, there's people that are making $1,000 days. Okay, imagine having to make $1,000 per day. How would that change your life if you could make $1,000 per day? Better yet, Let's say you make $200-300 a day. How can that change your life? Will that help you? Will that make your financial situation differently than it already is? Well, if you want to learn how to create that passive income, all you have to do is just click on the button below, okay? And get started with my ATM blueprint. I'll see you in the inside. Thank you.
Guys, I think you fully understand that if you want to generate a passive income lifestyle, then this video I recommend you, okay? So you can purchase it only $27, okay guys, and also I will provide a bonus. When you purchase this product, you will get a bonus inside this product members area on marketplace members area. And if you have any problem to receive bonus, you can contact me, link in my video description below, all details. I think guys you understand. I hope you enjoy this video because this is the money making opportunity for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe you. Thank you. See you soon my next video.